আসসালামাইকুম স্পেশালি ফর অনিমেষদা কালকে আমরা দেখাইছি যে খোলা বিস্কিট কিভাবে বিক্রি করতে হয় গ্রোসারিতে এবং রিমোট এলাকায়। আজকে যেটা দিচ্ছি এটা হলো মেনলি ফ্যামিলি প্যাক। এই বিস্কিটগুলো ফ্যামিলিরা কিনে নিয়ে যায় এবং ফ্যামিলিরা বাসায় রেখে এটা আস্তে আস্তে ইউজ করে। সো এখানে দেখতেছেন হাফসেং কোম্পানির আছে, কার্কের আছে, জ্যাকবসের আছে, হুয়াতাইয়ের আছে, এটা আবার কার্কের, এটা মানচিজ, এটা লিজ। সো অল দ্য বিগ বিস্কিট কোম্পানিজ দে হ্যাভ these packs. So they have some different type of tins. This is one type of tin. This is straight tins. This is a little bit decorated tin. This is again straight. This is again straight. So let me show you that what is how they organize it inside. So this is for car Hafseng. This is organized in this way, and inside there are this type of biscuits, assorted biscuits. This is crackers. The other one was choco. So whatever product you have, you can basically make small type of packs and you can sell it. This is cracker. This is chocolate cream sandwich, our fruit fun type of biscuit or shero type of biscuit. This is honey milk cookies. So assorted different type of product. This is the arrangement here. Let us see what is here. This is crackers. So we have this, and this is loose here. So this is not a gift pack or not a pack. This is actually economy pack. Okay. So all the things they have just put inside. There is bubble to protect the cookies inside. Inside there is bubble. Top also there was bubble, and this is a 700 gram crackers. Now see what is Jacob doing. Jacob has done a beautifully packed it with a Jacob had placed it with a here. This is high fiber biscuits, crackers, high fiber cracker biscuit, but concept is same. Open, and they have used a bubble to hold. So this is Jacob's. So any type of biscuit you can use this concept. This is Huatai. This is Huatai. And inside, this is the arrangement. They have not used any metallic pack inside, because this is already, the tin is protecting the product, and inside this is chocolate cookie with chocolate sandwich cookie. This is not sandwich. This is the simple cookie. This is single cookie. So you see that they have given half chocolate sandwich and half this one. So to match prices and to play in different segment, they use different combination of product. Now let us come to another mango. This is the beautifully pictured different type of assorted biscuit. Let us see what is inside. See inside. The number of cookies are not very big. The same chocolate that we have seen in an earlier box. Okay, this is a chocolate cartoon type characters. This is another one. This is probably crackers. There is another. This is also another cracker. This is deluxe, same cracker. This is milk chocolate, honey and milk chocolate. So basically all the products they have, they packed in a simple small packing and they placed it here. Okay, this is why in Malaysia we are missing 50 Fields biscuit. Okay, the 50 Fields biscuit, they actually made this type of family combo pack, and since people have to go by car, there is no walking, mainly in other than urban areas, the walking distance is not very close, so you cannot walk everywhere. Walking, it is not accessible everywhere. People are using either motorbike or their car. So when they go somewhere, they do not purchase one or two pieces. They purchase this one, they keep their home. This is what I have seen during my small 10 days observation. Perhaps outside this also there are walls. We'll explore it further. Thank you. Let us see what is in Top Mix. Munchies. Munchies also have the same concept. Mixed cookies, chocolate, sandwich. See, the biscuit development is required, but whatever biscuit we have, we can also make this type of pack. So this was chocolate, this was something, this is again so basically inside there are this, there are crackers, and this is something that is like our what it called, this wafer, small wafer. See? So you can make it mix of everything to match your price list. Because inside? Yes. Oh, so it was also inside. That means the roll also was inside. So this is Lee sandwich, normal cookies, not cookies, this is normal biscuit, Mari type biscuit. This is cracker. They have given different crackers, and at last they have these cookies. Okay, so basically they have assorted all the cookies. They made in different pack. They just put inside, made it assorted, and get set. So you have enough areas to play. So these are the biscuit inside. Okay.